Dive into adventure with the top 5 best underwater scooters, your ultimate guide to the most thrilling, high-performance sea scooters on the market. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a water-loving beginner, these picks offer the perfect blend of power, portability, and safety to transform every swim, snorkel, or dive into an unforgettable underwater journey. Number 1. Lefeet S1 Pro Underwater Scooter. The Lefeet S1 Pro redefines underwater mobility with its compact, modular design and cutting-edge features. Touted as the world's first modular underwater scooter, it delivers a 14% power boost with an impressive 8 kg per 18 pounds of thrust, achieving speeds up to 1.8 meters per second. Whether you're snorkeling, diving, paddleboarding, or just enjoying pool time, this device elevates the experience. Its wireless remote and multiple speed settings make it incredibly user-friendly, while the modular build allows seamless attachment to gear or handheld use. With a max 70-minute battery life, quick 5-second battery swap, and airline-compliant design, it's travel-ready and convenient. Designed to go as deep as 40 meters, the S1 Pro helps you explore more marine life and return to the shore or boat effortlessly after an intense dive. It's not just gear, it's a diving companion. Whether you're a seasoned diver or just starting out, the Lefeet S1 Pro is the underwater equipment you'll fall in love with, offering both excitement and ease like never before. Number 2. Asiwo Dual Motors Underwater Scooter. Dive into underwater adventure with the Asiwo Dual Motors Underwater Scooter, designed for thrill seekers of all levels. Weighing just 3.5 kilograms, this lightweight, self-floating scooter is ultra-portable and even airline-friendly. Check individual airline policies before flying. Its child safety lock, protective net, and anti-sinking design ensure a safe and secure experience for all ages. Equipped with dual 600W motors, the Asiwo delivers an impressive 9 kilograms of thrust, enabling you to explore depths of up to 40 meters. The powerful lithium-ion battery recharges in just 2 to 3 hours and provides up to 35 minutes of underwater excitement. With FOC field-oriented control and a 3-speed progressive acceleration system, it offers smooth, quiet operation and speeds up to 3.35 miles per hour. Capture your adventures with the integrated action camera mount, and experience freedom like never before with one-hand mode, wave at marine life or film effortlessly while cruising. Backed by a solid 6 to 12-month warranty, the Asiwo scooter blends safety, power, and fun for an unbeatable underwater experience. Number 3. Hagul Underwater Scooter. The Hagul Underwater Scooter is the perfect companion for young swimmers and beginners, combining safety, ease of use, and aquatic excitement. Designed specifically with kids in mind, it features a simple one-button start and intuitive controls, making it ideal for safe, worry-free play in the water. Built with positive buoyancy, Hagul won't sink, ensuring smooth cruising along the water's surface. The 2-speed gear switch allows users to choose between a low speed of 2.46 miles per hour and a high speed of 3.13 miles per hour, adapting to various skill levels. With up to 50 minutes of intermittent use and up to 25 minutes continuous runtime, it delivers plenty of underwater fun. Weighing only 3.5 kilograms, 7.72 pounds, and equipped with a 92.88 Wh lithium battery that complies with airline travel standards, Hagul is ultra-portable and travel-ready. It's waterproof up to 49 feet, thanks to industrial-grade sealing technology. Added safety features include a protective rotor cover, LED indicator light for battery and speed monitoring, and durable construction. Whether in the pool or at the beach, Hagul is your go-to underwater scooter for young adventurers. Number 4. PENG K5 Underwater Scooter. The PENG K5 Underwater Scooter delivers a seamless blend of performance, portability, and user-friendliness, ideal for divers, swimmers, and underwater explorers of all levels. Powered by a 550W brushless DC motor, it offers 17 pounds of thrust and speeds up to 2 meters per second, ensuring smooth, powerful propulsion under any condition. With a modular design, assembling the K5 is as easy as snapping together building blocks. Its lightweight frame fits in a backpack, and the 99.7 Wh TSA-compliant battery allows for air travel convenience, offering 60 minutes of runtime and 100W Type-C fast charging, as simple as charging your phone. Built to endure depths of up to 50 meters, its corrosion-resistant construction ensures durability in harsh environments. The 3-speed settings and low-noise FOC system provide customized, stable control, even in challenging underwater conditions. Kids and adults alike can control the K5 with one hand, freeing the other for exploration or filming. Compatible with GoPro and action cameras, you can capture stunning marine footage with ease. Plus, it's backed by a 1-year warranty and 24/7 technical support, peace of mind guaranteed. Number 5. Bsteciar Dual Motors Underwater Scooter. The Bsteciar Dual Motors Underwater Scooter is a high-performance device built for underwater enthusiasts seeking both thrill and safety. With 600W dual motors delivering up to 12 kgf, 26.5 lbf of thrust, it offers smooth propulsion through a 2-speed system ranging from 0.8 meters per second to 1.5 meters per second, ensuring a linear, controlled underwater experience. Its self-floating design and strong buoyancy prevent sinking, making it beginner-friendly and ideal for both adults and kids. Weighing just 4.5 kilograms, this compact sea scooter is easy to carry on tropical getaways, including Hawaii or the Maldives. Its TSA-compliant 129.6 Wh battery supports 30 to 60 minutes of runtime and can dive to depths of 50 meters, providing extended exploration on a single charge. Designed with safety in mind, it features a child safety lock and protective netting to prevent accidental injuries. The built-in action camera mount is compatible with most sports cameras, allowing you to capture and relive every exciting underwater moment. Whether in the ocean or pool, the Bsteciar scooter makes every dive unforgettable.